All right, guys. So you're welcome to another video. Okay, in this video, we're going to be talking about understanding the concept of supply and demand. Okay, when we talk about supply, what do we mean in its simplest form? Okay, sorry about that. So when we talk about supply, what do we mean? Okay, supply simply means to provide. Okay, simply means to provide. Okay, when I am providing something, I am supplying that particular thing to someone. Okay, and demand simply means to collect, or better still, to purchase. Okay, for example, you purchase a good, you are demanding for that good. But for you to demand for something and get that thing, you actually have to pay a price for it. Okay, you actually have to pay a price for it, and it is that price we term as the bid price. Okay, the price that a buyer is willing to buy. Okay, that is the bid price. Okay, and the price a seller is willing to sell is termed as the ask price. Okay, so when we talk about supply and demand, this is the basic thing that affects the forex market. Okay, this is the basic. This, without supply and demand, or without buying and selling, there won't be a forex market. Okay, so I think I've buttressed more on that in our previous video. So, but in today's video, see let's just discuss a little bit about supply and demand as regards to the chart. Okay, so let me just take a let's just go a little bit deeper in our charts. Now, you discover in our charts here, we have a bullish market or a long market structure. Okay, this, you discover that price has been moving on a high scale. Okay, from here we have that price moved down, moved up, moved down, moved up, moved down, moved up. Okay, so you can see that this particular price has been buying. Okay, and you'd you'd agree with me that in our last video I gave some criteria, or I gave some things that you need to look out for. Okay, in a chart. First of all, the price. Okay, which is at the extreme right hand. You have to look at the time. Okay, the time is you check. When you check, you get to see that this is a 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, right here where I have my red. This is a 1 m, means 1 minute or 1 month. Okay, 1 minute or 1 month, depending on what your depending on your person, or on your choice. Okay, depending on your choice, I can come here, click on this place. Okay, and you can see this is actually a 1 minute. Okay, this is a 1 minute time frame. We have a 1 minute, we have the 5 minutes, depending on the one that you actually prefer. Okay, to analyze your chart. Okay, so, and what we are basically looking at is the supply and demand action. Okay, so you can practically see here that buyers are, this is actually the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Okay, see it here, the US dollar, US card. Okay, that means the US dollar has been moving high and high, above, appreciating above the Canadian dollar. Okay, it has been appreciating above the Canadian dollar over time. Okay, so you can see the price movement, and this shows that the demand level is higher than the supply level. Okay, the demand level is higher than the supply level. When the demand of of a commodity is very high, then the price of that commodity also appreciates. Okay, when and then the commodity begins to be scarce. Okay, when there is increase in demand, it causes scarcity. Okay, and once there is scarcity, the price of a commodity begins to increase, begins to appreciate. Okay, for example, let's just say gold. Okay, let's just take a precious stone like gold or a diamond. Okay, now if let's just say the whole number, the total number of diamond in the whole universe is just five. Okay, just five diamond stones. that are in the world. Now, it will the price of the diamond will tend to increase like far above your expectation. Do you know why? Because the demand of diamond is very high. You would agree with me that diamond stone is a valuable commodity, okay? Because it's being used to maybe produce jewelries. It's being used for so many things, okay? So naturally, diamond is a valuable commodity, okay? Now, for the fact that diamond is now scarce, as would definitely push the or appreciate the price tag of it, okay? So you can apply the same concept in this scenario. All right, so the US dollar has been appreciating over the Canadian dollar. That shows that the demand for the US dollar has been very high compared to the Canadian dollar. All right, so that is why we have a a chart that is appreciating like this. Okay, I told you before that the chart is simply an indication of the psychology of traders, okay, of the behavior of traders in the market. Okay, so right here we have that the chart, the price have been moving higher and higher, okay, and from our in-depth analysis, okay, we can still further predict where this price will go, okay, whether it will come down or whether it will come down or it will keep going up, okay. So that's just more like a little bit of insight on our topic for today, all right, supply and demand. So I think this I think we're able to do justice, okay, to this particular concept, supply and demand. So thank you for your time and understanding, and we'll see in our next video as we keep drawing to the end of the technical session. Thank you so much.